Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to send money quickly and securely to the United States? Perhaps you're supporting a family member, paying for a service, or simply transferring funds. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. In this video, we'll explore Paysend, a popular money transfer service, and answer the burning question: can you use Paysend to send money to the USA? Before we dive into the specifics of Paysend, let's understand why sending money to the USA might be necessary. For many people, the USA is a global economic powerhouse, attracting individuals from all corners of the world for work, education, and business opportunities. As a result, there's a constant flow of money being sent back home to support loved ones or fund personal projects. Introducing Paysend. Paysend is a relatively new player in the international money transfer market, but it has quickly gained popularity due to its simplicity, speed, and low fees. The service allows you to send money to over 125 countries, including the United States, from your smartphone or computer. Key features of Paysend. Speed. One of the standout features of Paysend is its speed. In many cases, funds can be received within minutes or hours, making it a convenient option for urgent transfers. Low fees. Paysend typically offers competitive fees compared to other money transfer services. This can be a significant advantage, especially for large transfers. Convenience. The service is easy to use, with a straightforward interface that makes it accessible to users of all technical abilities. Security. Paysend employs advanced security measures to protect your personal and financial information. This includes encryption and fraud monitoring. Can I use Paysend to send money to the USA? The answer is yes. Paysend is a viable option for sending money to the USA. You can choose from various payment methods, such as bank transfer, card, or cash, and the recipient can receive the funds through bank transfer, mobile wallet, or cash pickup. Factors to consider. While Paysend offers several benefits, it's important to consider a few factors before making your decision. Transfer limits. There may be limits on the amount of money you can send in a single transaction or within a specific period. Exchange rates. Paysend uses a competitive exchange rate, but it's always a good idea to compare rates with other providers to ensure you're getting the best deal. Fees. While Paysend generally has low fees, it's worth checking the exact charges for your specific transfer, as they may vary based on factors like the sending and receiving countries. Alternatives to Paysend. If Paysend doesn't meet your specific needs, there are other popular money transfer services to consider. Western Union, a well-established player in the industry with a global network of agents. MoneyGram, another long-standing option with a similar network of agents. TransferWise, now known for its fair exchange rates and low fees. Choosing the right service. The best money transfer service for you will depend on your individual requirements. Consider factors such as speed, fees, convenience, and security when making your choice. In conclusion, Paysend is a legitimate and convenient option for sending money to the USA. Its speed, low fees, and ease of use make it an attractive choice for many people. However, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons against other available options to find the best fit for your needs. If you're considering using Paysend or another money transfer service, be sure to do your research and compare different options to find the most suitable one for your situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.